Okay, welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna be making Cuphead pizza.
Cuphead pizza.
First, add butter to your pan.
Now turn the stove on.
Now put your water. These are the so it's hot.
Now add the cheese.
Continue. This is how you make pizza. Cuphead. If there's like and subscribe.
If you like the shot.